Welcome! In today's video, we will teach you how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. Threads is an application designed for sharing private moments with your closest friends on Instagram. However, you may have decided that you no longer want to display the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. When using the Threads app, your Instagram profile automatically receives a small badge indicating that you use this app for sharing private moments. But if you no longer wish to display that badge, don't worry, there is a simple way to remove it. In this step-by-step guide, we will explain how to easily and quickly remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. We will show you the steps to follow on your mobile device to get rid of this badge and restore your Instagram profile to its original state. Whether you want to maintain a clean and simple Instagram profile or simply want to stop using the Threads app, removing the Threads badge will help you achieve that. Without further delay, let's embark on a journey of discovering how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now all you need to do is click on the Threads icon, which is located below the picture. And it says that this is a temporary badge that followers can see. You can either tap View Threads Profile or at the very bottom, you can tap Hide Badge. Then a message appears that says, "Are you sure?" You can't add this badge back to your profile once removed. Just hit Remove Badge. Keep in mind that it states that this badge is temporary. Essentially, Instagram is using this method to redirect anyone who views your Instagram profile to the Threads app because they want to achieve widespread adoption from Instagram to the Threads app and encourage people to transition there. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.